Hey, Keller Williams agents, it's Lori Ballen, Lori Ballen team here serving Las Vegas and Henderson, Summerlin to Green Valley, and I would very much appreciate your real estate referrals. Today I'm going to show you where to find the link to your KW app. It's going to change, no doubt, but right now I know where it is, so I want to show you where to get it. Because if you are building in Command, you're going to need to have that link to publish certain things like landing pages, or it's not going to let you continue. I ran into this morning, so it's very important. All right, so if you were just to go ahead and go over to log into KW, any way you want to do it. Let me show you from the beginning. Go to mykw.kw.com. You're in your main panel. Go up here to technology and click on KW mobile app resources. By the way, there's going to be other ways to get here. This is just one of them. If you scroll down here to the bottom, there's actually a blue box, or teal, green, whatever. View your mobile download web address. It's actually going to open the old e-agency site, and here is my link to my KW app. It's also the mobile text code and my agent code and my QR code. So if I open a new tab, paste in the URL right there, I can show you what it looks like. So this is the number I'm going to go ahead and put into KW Command. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Follow along with me. I've got lots of trainings. I'm also going to be traveling to market centers, hosting webinars and group coaching and things like that, representing my own brands over here. The Ballen Method to KW Command. Thank you so much for joining me today.